How to blur background in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to blur background in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. So here's a video that I want to blur the background for. So first step is that you have to just right click on the video and then click copy over here, and then you have to just paste it over here in the tag above it. Just paste it. Now align the videos accordingly. Now select the copied video and then go to this video option, and here you choose this cutout option and then click auto cutout. Now it's going to just remove the background of your video. Now once the background has been removed, you have to choose the blur of your desire and just drag it and add it to the original video. And that's how you blur the background of a video. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.